Hey, welcome back to Mount Pleasant Farm. Today we're going to do some easy maintenance on the Gen 4 Ram. Mine is Power Wagon, but it doesn't really matter. Gen 4 is all the same. So we're going to do the cabin air filter today. This is something that a lot of people never do, and I can tell you in almost 90,000 miles, I haven't done it either. So let's get this done. Okay, what you'll need before you start this job is, of course, a replacement air filter. This is a cabin air filter for Gen 4. And that's the number right there, FSC 11671. This is a Fram, of course. There's plenty of other things out there. Just grab yourself an air filter. I don't see this as being something you need to grab some super high quality filter for. In addition to this, you'll need probably just a flashlight, but there are no tools required to replace this filter. Okay, step one, open up your lower glove box and get all the crap out of there. All right, going over to the left-hand side of your glove box, you're going to see a little catch right there, basically, okay? You're going to take this side of the glove box, and you're going to bend it in like that, and see how that's disengaged already. Now pull it towards you. There's a hinge track down in here. It just kind of locks in there. So now that you got this thing unlocked, pull it towards you. See it pops off of there? You can kind of wiggle it out, and it just pulls right down. The other side is tethered, so that's why we do the left side. The left side, or the right hand side that's tethered, also has this catch, but it doesn't really do anything because it's tethered. Now we're just going to take this glove box and kind of bring it just kind of out of your way. Leave the tether in place there. So you get the glove box, it's out of the way, and what you're left with is that nice big hole in there. And what you're looking at right there is the cabin air filter casing. Or I should say that's the cover right there. Now again, on the left-hand side of that cover, there's a little catch that you're just going to go in here and push it in and pull out. Okay? The other side also has the same setup. You just want to wiggle it away. You can't really access that button on the other side. And just drop that out of the way. So there, right there, is your cabin air filter. Notice that the airflow arrow shows down, okay? Showing airflow going down. So we're going to go ahead and pull this out here. Just grab it, it's cloth. Just pull it. And over on the right-hand side, I forgot to tell you this, there is a wire that will likely get in your way, a little wire bundle. Just kind of move it out of the way, or you can just pull the air filter past it and just pull that out of there. Okay, coming out. Now, take a look at this. Look at the filth inside that cabin air filter. Pine needles, bugs, you name it. That's 90,000 miles of sucking bad things in. At least it kept it all from getting in the truck. So that's why we're going to change this out. And there's a closer look at your airflow arrow. That arrow is right there, pointing down. Okay, so there's the new cabin air filter. The airflow direction is not on either end. So what you need to know is, it's on the side. It's the same deal. So it's flowing down. If for some reason, can't even see that. If for some reason, there you go, airflow down. If for some reason your filter does not have an airflow thing, look at the pleats. The one that's got the pleats going up on the outside, that's the top. Just make sure that goes in on the top side. And you know what? If all else fails, it's probably not going to matter. Installation is the reverse of removal. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing in place, and then I'll show you how it looks. Okay, that's it installed in place. Now we're going to pop the cap on. Okay, and putting this cap in place is the same as removal. It actually goes in a lot easier than you'd think. Just make sure it says airflow down, and this chunk here, this fat part, goes down. It's actually super simple. Just pops in place and snaps. Something I want to show you before you put your glove box in. In the front of the glove box, you see these angled teeth, I guess, for lack of a better word. Those, when you put it in, go in these areas right here, okay? And so you're going to fit that thing into place and make sure that you squeeze the left side in. It's going to pop right back in place, just like it came out. It's super easy. Okay, let's get this thing in place. Chickens are all going crazy out there. So I'm just barely pushing this left side in over here. Okay, so it doesn't want to go, so I didn't get it all the way in. So you just kind of wiggle it. I'm trying to get those 4 fittings to get back up in that hinge area. There you go. Piece of cake. Opens up like it's supposed to, nice and slow. Closes right back up. Hey, so I hope you found this simple video helpful for you. I know a lot of people are like, man, where's that stupid cabin air filter? I know most people are just like, it's not that important. But you saw how dirty that old one was. Probably good to get one swapped out if you haven't already. I wouldn't worry about it too much, but if you're going to go ahead and do it, that's how you do it. I'm going to have some more 4th Gen Ram videos coming. Like I said, this one I've got an 18 Power Wagon, 2018 Power Wagon. I love it. It's got almost 90,000 miles on it. So more videos coming, as I'm sure it's going to start needing more maintenance. I do most of my maintenance myself, aside from oil changes. And you guys can see the big, the short on that, where everybody's cussing me out for that. So anyway, as always, if you like this stuff, please like, subscribe, share with your friends. And as always, keep getting after it.